गुड मॉर्निंग, आप सबको 77 रिपब्लिक डे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आज का दिन केवल एक दिन नहीं है, आज का दिन केवल एक प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च नहीं है, तो आज का दिन भारत की शक्ति, भारत की नारी का सम्मान है और सस्ती स्वास्थ्य सेवा के सपने का उत्सव है। आज भारत के 77 रिपब्लिक दिन के पावन अवसर पर जनरिक आधार गर्व के साथ अपना 13 फेज 11 न्यू एडिशनल ओन प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने जा रहा है। लेकिन एक सवाल उठता है, इस बार सिर्फ 11 ही प्रोडक्ट क्यों? क्या कोई जानता है इसके पीछे क्या कारण हो सकता है? मित्रों, 11 कोई साधारण संख्या नहीं है। साल 2025 में पूरी दुनिया के इतिहास में भारतीय महिला क्रिकेट टीम की 11 नारियों ने वुमेन्स वर्ल्ड कप में इतिहास रच दिया। उन्होंने पूरे देश का नाम गर्व से ऊंचा कर दिया और दुनिया को दिखा दिया कि भारत की नारी किसी से कम नहीं। इसीलिए हमारा देश भारत माता कहलाता है, क्योंकि भारत की शक्ति उसकी नारियों में है। आज आप स्वयं देख सकते हैं, जनरिक आधार की महिला फार्मासिस्ट भारत के हर नागरिक के लिए, हर एक देशवासियों के लिए 11 न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च करने जा रही है और यह सब संभव हो रहा है आदरणीय अर्जुन देशपांडे सर के वजह से। ये केवल प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, ये है हर गरीब परिवार की उम्मीद, हर मरीज का विश्वास, हर घर का सपना, सस्ती और गुणवत्तापूर्ण दवाओं की ताकत। ये दवाइयाँ नहीं है, ये है आशा, विश्वास, इच्छा, शक्ति और आधार। इसीलिए तो हमारे कंपनी का नाम है जनरिक आधार। मित्रों, केवल 6 साल में जनरिक आधार ने इतिहास रच दिया। हर 15 अगस्त और 26 जनवरी को हम लगातार नए प्रोडक्ट जोड़ते जा रहे हैं और देशवासियों को कम कीमत में उच्च गुणवत्ता वाली दवाइयाँ उपलब्ध कर रहे हैं। आज जनरिक आधार के 500 प्लस प्रोडक्ट तक पहुंच चुका है। 500 प्रोडक्ट्स ये मामूली चीज नहीं है। आज हर बड़े शहर, छोटे शहर, हर गांव, हर तहसील, हर जिले, हर गली में गूंज रहे हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है, हमने कभी पैसों के दम पे प्रचार नहीं किया, हमने कभी टीवी पर महंगे ऐड नहीं चलाए, किसी को उपहार देकर आकर्षित नहीं किया। फिर भी जनरिक आधार का हर एक मेडिसिन स्टोर तक मेहमान की तरह पहुंचता है और मेहमान की तरह निकल जाता है। और उसी तरह हर एक परिवार की खुशी और अच्छे स्वास्थ्य का परिपूर्ण करता है। हमारे मेडिसिन सिर्फ बिकते नहीं है, वे भारत को स्वास्थ्य और समृद्धि बनाते हैं। और यह सब इसके लिए संभव हो रहा है क्योंकि हर एक जनरिक आधार की मेडिसिन WHO GMP सर्टिफाइड मेडिसिन रहती है, उच्च गुणवत्ता के साथ तैयार की जाती है। आज गणतंत्र दिवस के इस पावन अवसर पर भारतीय नारी शक्ति के साथ आदरणीय अर्जुन देशपांडे सर के नेतृत्व में और करोड़ों भारतीयों के विश्वास के साथ जनरिक आधार सिर्फ 11 प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च नहीं कर रहा है, हम भारत के स्वास्थ्य क्रांति की शुरुआत कर रहे हैं। आइए आज संकल्प करते हैं, हर भारतीयों को सस्ती और गुणवत्तापूर्ण दवाइयाँ मिले, भारत को स्वस्थ, मजबूत और आत्मनिर्भर बनाएंगे और साबित करेंगे भारतीय नारी और भारतीय युवा कि भारत की असली शक्ति है। जय भारत, जय जनरिक आधार, जय नारी शक्ति।
we are going to launch the first medicine is glyclazide 30 mg MR tablet. It comes under anti-diabetic category. Okay, it is used to treat type 2 diabetes mellitus in diabetic people, and it improves overall health, and it balances the blood sugar levels, improves overall health, and to symptoms like heart diseases, kidney functions, and overall well-being. So now I'm happy to announce that this medicine is available at all our generic Aadhaar stores across India at high quality and affordable price, up to 80% discount. And I'm happy to announce that the rate of this medicine, the other multinational companies rate for this medicine is 70 rupees per strip, but our generic Aadhaar end customer rate is just only 13 rupees. That means generic Aadhaar giving huge discount, 80% discount on this medicine. भारत की बेटियां जीत रही है और भारत का स्वास्थ्य भी। और मैं कहना चाहूंगी कि जनरिक आधार की टीम है गोल्ड और बीमारियों को करते हैं क्लीन बोल्ड।
The second product that we are launching today is linagliptin 5 mg plus dapagliflozin 10 mg, belonging to the category of anti-diabetic medicines. This helps reduce your blood glucose level in your blood and helps to prevent major issues such as kidney damage, blindness, and reduce your chances of having stroke or heart attack. It is now available in all our generic Aadhaar stores across India at high quality and affordable price, up to 80% discount. Generic Aadhaar is providing this product at 36 rupees per strip only, while MNC company is providing this product at 147 rupees. Generic Aadhaar is providing this product at a huge discount of 74%. Because every patient deserves a century, not a setback.
2025 में हमारी बेटियों ने वर्ल्ड कप जीतकर इतिहास रचा है। आज इस रिपब्लिक डे पर हम जेनेरिक आधार वही विनिंग स्पिरिट हेल्थ केयर में ला रहे हैं। प्रेजेंटिंग अवर न्यू प्रोडक्ट कॉड लिवर ऑयल कैप्सूल. It comes under the category supplement. It gives huge benefit. It is a rich source of omega-3, vitamin A and vitamin D. It also helps to reduce depression and anxiety. It also helps to reduce the symptoms of osteoporosis. Now, it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores across the India at high quality and affordable price compared than other MNC companies. Other MNC company rate is 430 rupees per bottle. Generic Aadhaar end customer rate is 203 rupees only. Generic Aadhaar provides huge discount is 51.7%. Swasth Bharat hi Vijay Bharat hai. We are not just launching the product. We are building a team of 140 crore fit Indians क्योंकि fit है India तो hit है India.
So our next product is calcium carbonate IP 1250, vitamin D3 IP 2000 IU, methyl cobalamin L-methyl folate calcium, and pyridoxal 5 phosphate 20 mg. It comes in the category of supplement medicine. It is a nutritional supplement to help to treat a low blood calcium level in humans who do not get from their diet. It is also help to functioning the nervous system. Now it is available in all generic Aadhaar stores across India with a high quality and affordable medicine, up to 80% discount than other MNC company. So other MNC company providing it is in a 210 rupees per strip, but our generic Aadhaar product is launching it only in a 51 rupees per strip other than our MNC company. So we can save up to 76% discount on this product. So with the help of generic Aadhaar, let's your bond strong and always be with the Indian team for the celebration.
So the next product is ferrous ascorbate equivalent to elemental iron 100 mg, folic acid 1.5 mg, cyanocobalamin 15 mcg, zinc sulfate monohydrate 22.5 mg tablet. It comes under the category of supplement medicine. It is a combination of vitamins and mineral supplements that helps the body to perform vital functions such as forming red blood cells and absorb iron. It also strengthens the immune system. It also helps your body to use fats and carbohydrates for energy and to make new proteins. Now it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores and across India up to 80% discount as compared to other MNC rate. The other MNC rate is 300 rupees per strip, whereas generic Aadhaar end customer rate is 38 rupees per strip only. And I'm happy to announce that generic Aadhaar is providing a huge discount of 87%. हर मैच के लिए रेडी, हर दिन के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग, जेनरिक आधार सप्लीमेंट से बनाए अपना हेल्थ लॉन्ग.
Our next product is pantoprazole 20 mg gastro-resistance tablet. It belongs under category of gastrology. It's used to reduce the acid production in stomach. It's treating acid-related disease like heartburn, acid reflux, and peptic ulcer. It's also preventing the stomach ulcer and acidity. Now, it will be available in our generic Aadhaar store across the India at affordable price and high quality, up to 80% discount as compared to other MNC companies. The other MNC company strip rate is 75 rupees and generic Aadhaar end customer rate is 10 rupees per strip only. Generic Aadhaar giving 85% discount on this product. मैच में जोश भारतीय क्रिकेट टीम का, सेहत में भरोसा जेनरिक आधार का.
लाइफ के पिच पर रहो, मैच रेडी जेनेरिक आधार मेडिसिन के साथ. हमारा अगला प्रोडक्ट जो हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं वो है मिथाइल प्रेडनिसोलोन 4 mg. इट बिलोंग्स टू द कैटेगरी ऑफ एंटी एलर्जिक. It is a corticosteroid that blocks the chemical that causes inflammation and reduces the activity of an overactive immune system, providing relief from symptoms like swelling, redness, and pain. It is used to treat different types of inflammatory and allergic conditions, including arthritis, lupus, psoriasis, ulcerative colitis, which affect the skin, blood, eyes, lungs, stomach, and nervous system. It works by lowering your immune system response to these conditions, thereby reducing symptoms such as itching and other allergic type reactions. Now, it is available now at all our generic Aadhaar store across India at high quality and affordable prices, up to 80% discount as compared to other MNCs. Other MNCs provide the same medicine at 54 rupees per strip, but we at generic Aadhaar provide the same strip at 12.18 rupees. We offer a huge discount of 77.4%. बीमारी को करो क्लीन बोल्ड, जेनरिक आधार की अच्छी और सस्ती दवाइयों के साथ. लाइफ के पिच पर रहो, हमेशा मैच रेडी जेनेरिक आधार मेडिसिन के साथ.
So the next product that we are launching is rosuvastatin 20 mg plus clopidogrel 75 mg. It belongs to the category of antihypertensive. It helps to reduce the risk of heart attack and strokes by improving the blood circulation in the body, and also helps to reduce your chances of stroke, and also reduces the blood clots in the arteries. It is now available in all our generic Aadhaar stores across India at high quality and affordable price, up to 80% discount compared to other MNC companies. The price that generic Aadhaar is providing is 36 rupees on this product, just 36 rupees compared to other MNC companies. While other MNC companies are providing this product at 198 rupees per strip, generic Aadhaar is providing a huge discount of 80% on this product.
The next product category we are launching is chlorthalidone 6.25 mg tablet, which belongs to the category of antihypertensive. It is used to manage the high blood pressure in body, which in turn reduces the risk of serious health problems like heart attack, strokes, kidney damage. It also helps the body to get rid of excess salt and water. It reduces the pressure in blood vessels and also improves the circulation. So now it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores and across India at high quality and affordable price, up to 80% discount as compared to other MNC companies. Other MNC rate is 70 rupees per strip, whereas generic Aadhaar is providing at only and only 9 rupees per strip. Generic Aadhaar is providing discount of 86%. So let's control the pressure and win the match.
In cricket, no match is won by chance. Victory comes from the right combination, the right strategy, and the confidence to stay at the crease till the end. Just like our next product, which we are going to launch. It is a combination of gabapentin 100 mg and nortriptyline 10 mg. It belongs to neurology category. Individually they perform, but together they create a stronger partnership. Just like in cricket greatest partnership, where one stabilizes the inning and other accelerates the score. Effective management of neuropathic pain also demands the balanced approach. Gabapentin and nortriptyline together used to treat the long-lasting, that is chronic pain caused due to nerve damage because of diabetics or spinal cord injuries. It reduces the pain and its associated symptoms such as mood changes, sleepiness, tiredness, etc. And it calms the damaged or overactive nerves by acting on the brain, thereby decreases the pain sensation. And the good news is now it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores and across India at high quality and best affordable price, up to 80% discount other than MNC companies. The rate of this product in other MNCs is 105 rupees per strip, but in our generic Aadhaar stores, we are providing the same product at only 21 rupees per strip. So, generic Aadhaar is giving huge discount of 80% on this product.
After the huge success of our 12-phase L size, today we are launching Miss to Mrs. sanitary pads XL 280 mm. Now it is designed for long-lasting protection, heavy flow and active movement. It belongs to the category of personal care kit. The XL size provides enhanced protection, making it suitable for sportswomen, working women and women who stays for long duration. With better absorption and leak protection, now this pads helps the woman to stay confident on the field or off the field. Now it will be available in all our generic Aadhaar stores and across India at affordable price at up to 80% discount. The other MNC rate is 60 rupees per packet, but our generic Aadhaar company is giving it only at 24 rupees per packet. The discount is giving 60%. From 11 players to 11 products, generic Aadhaar stands for India's health.
After successful launch of 11 products in the 13th phase, now today we are launching our new booklet with the hands of Honorable Founder Shri Arjun Deshpande ji.
We took the catch, you also take the opportunity. Do visit our nearest generic Aadhaar stores and get all medicines at up to 80% discount.